Hi, I'm Peter Robertson. I'm the #1 real estate agent in Dalkeith again. You don't care about that, and neither do I. What we think you do want to know about though is this sale. Here we are, 144A Victoria Avenue, Dalkeith. We are right on the waterfront, directly onto White Beach down here. It's 1,267 square metres of land with a fantastic 2-storey, well-established family home. We just set a record price. This property has gone up 28% in the last 2 years with almost nothing done to it. So people want to know what's going on in the market. There's a great marker for you. And it's about the waterfront, it's about the location. The real estate adage, location, 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 is never truer than when we're talking about this kind of property in this kind of location in one of Perth's best suburbs. We had a ton of interest in this property. We can only sell it once. We've got buyers who missed out. So if you have a property like this and you'd like to know what the opportunities are for you, how the prices work, where the values are moving to, please reach out. We'd love to talk to you, explain exactly in detail what happened here and how that can benefit you.